Good afternoon to all the students of class 7th. Today we will continue unit 6 of GK, whose page is Healthy, Wealthy and Wise 43. Page number is 59. First question is, which is the good source of protein, soya bean or tomato? Answer is soya beans. Next, which vitamin is important for arteries, vitamin D or vitamin C? Answer is vitamin C. Next, name a good source of iron. Iron ka good source is out of these spinach or oranges? That is spinach. Answer is spinach. Next, fourth, which disease is associated with vitamin C deficiency, scurvy or rickets? The answer is scurvy. Scurvy is due to deficiency of vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin D gives rise to rickets. Now, arthritis or rickets, its answer is rickets. Next is, if a person has lockjaw, he is suffering from tetanus or rabies? That is answer is tetanus. Next, seventh, which mineral is required in our diet to prevent goiter? Answer is iodine. Which nutrient is essential for healthy thyroid functioning? That is vitamin D. Next, which is the best source for vitamin D, rain or sunlight? Answer is sunlight. Which of the following is a type of flu? The answer is H1N1. Now next page is World of Science. First question is, what is dry ice? What is dry ice? The name of the dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. Next, second question is, short sightedness could be corrected by using a concave lens. Next, third, by what name is sodium bicarbonate popularly known as? That is baking soda. What is the molten rock that comes out of a volcano called? Answer is lava. Next is, what is produced by the bacterial fermentation of milk? That is yogurt. The normal adult human body holds around 5 liters of blood. Next, what part of the blood cell helps in fighting disease? WBC, white blood cells. In which organ of the human body is the process of digestion completed? Small intestine. Next, which organ in our body produces urine? That is kidneys. Next, what kind of waves do TV remote controls use to send signal? The answer is infrared waves. Let's move to the next page now. Let's talk about eminent scientists in this page. The first is, this famous biologist won the Nobel Prize in 1945 for discovering the first antibiotic called penicillin in 1928. And the name of the scientist is Alexander Fleming. That is a picture of Alexander Fleming, who discovered penicillin. Second, the Scottish physicist is famous for formulating the theory of electromagnetic radiation and also for his early models on quantum mechanics and special relativity. And the name of this scientist is James Clerk Maxwell. The answer is James Clerk Maxwell. Third, this famous French biologist is known for discovering the vaccinations against fatal disease like rabies, anthrax, and also for breakthrough in pasteurization. The name of this scientist is Louis Pasteur. Name of this scientist is Louis Pasteur. Fourth, the Polish scientist is only woman to win two Nobel Prizes in two different fields. That her research in radioactivity led to the discovery of two elements, radium and polonium. And the name of this lady is Marie Curie. The name of this lady is Marie Curie. Fifth, known as the father of observational astronomy, this famous Italian physicist and astronomer is credited for discovering four moons of Jupiter. Second is observing Saturn's rings and his theory on heliocentrism, that means the sun is in the center of our galaxy and the planets revolve around it. And the name of this scientist is Galileo Galilei. The name of the scientist is Galileo Galilei. Sixth question, last question of this page is the famous English mathematician, astronomer and physicist is famed for his discovery of gravity and his laws of motion. And the name of this famous mathematician, astronomer and physicist is, I will show you the picture, Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton. Let's move to the next page, that is space travel. And the first fill up of this page is the Parker Solar Probe is the first spacecraft that is sent to observe the outer corona of the sun. Second, Apollo 11 was the first space flight to land humans on the moon. Next is Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan first was the first lunar probe to be sent by India. India's first Mars orbiter mission space probe is called also Mangalyaan. Bill Shepard from USA, Yuri Gidzenko, Russia, and next Sergei Krivalev is from Russia, were the first residents of the International Space Station ISS. The first country to send man to moon is USA. The first human space flight program launched by NASA was called Project Mercury. The first satellite sent to space by ISRO was named Aryabhatta. The first person who walked in space was Alexei Leonov. The name of the first artificial satellite launched in 1957 was Sputnik 1. Now look at this page. This is crossword and hints are given below, across and down. We will read the hints and we will complete this crossword. First is, to which planet do the moons टाइटन एंड एटलस बिलोंग? किस प्लैनेट से बिलोंग करते हैं ये दोनों मून्स? द आंसर इज अक्रॉस. सेकंड इज दिस वन, सैटर्न. नेक्स्ट, planet that has the shortest revolution span. The answer of this question is, sixth answer is, that is Mercury. Okay. This next is, this female astronaut ran a marathon while in space. The name of this lady is Sunita Williams. Part of the sun visible at the time of total solar eclipse. The name of this part of the sun is corona. Let's move to up to down. This planet take 84 years to revolve around the sun. The name of this planet is Uranus. Next, the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way, and the name of this galaxy is this one, Andromeda. The name of the galaxy is Andromeda. Next is name of the spacecraft sent to study the interior of Tempel 1 comet. Tempel 1 comet का interior study करने के लिए spacecraft. The answer of this question is fourth, that is Deep Impact. The answer is Deep Impact. Next, force that keeps the planets orbiting the sun. This force is called Fifth answer is gravity. Next, the planet on which we see the great red spot. That is the name of the planet is this one, Jupiter. That's all for today. Complete all these pages. Thank you and have a nice day.